Eclectic Handyman here, working on the 01 Cobra power steering pump. And in a previous video, the high pressure line, I had showed a method to remove this bolt right here with a crescent wrench. In this video, I want to show you the absolute best tool for the job, which is to use this 18 millimeter Crowfoot. All right. You can get this ahead of time. It's connected to a 3/8 inch wrench with a little bit of an extension. And this is the epitome of using the right tool for the right job. So I get it right up in there. Let me maneuver it. Okay, there we go. And then I simply can both tighten if needed, and of course I can loosen it. It's just so much easier. And then you can take it off, readjust it, and continue to loosen. So once again, if you can plan ahead, these are pretty reasonable in price. It's called a Crowfoot, and this is an 18 millimeter one. This is a Craftsman one that I have to remove that high pressure line. So you don't have to, once again, it just gets in there so nicely. It makes it a lot easier to remove the high pressure line from the power steering pump on this 01 Cobra.